Guys, we're back with my 2009 BMW X3, and I've been going through the internet and I have not seen that many videos of muffler deleted or exhaust on these cars. So I was just gonna do a sound clip and let you guys see if you guys wanted to do this to your X3, if you're planning on getting one in the future, and what it sounds like with a nice exhaust modification. Here it is. That's on cold start. I'm gonna let it warm up for a few minutes and do a couple revs for you guys. Been warming up for a couple minutes. I'm gonna set the phone down, do a couple revs for you guys. By the way, this is the n52 motor, so it's the inline six.